purpose. So once you're logged in, obviously at this point, your status, which you're going to see, is off duty. You would have to change your current status and change it to on duty. Now, as a reminder, always whenever you're selecting on duty as the beginning of your trip, always select inspection, click next, make sure you're checking your truck number, and click OK to proceed. Also make sure there are no current shipments. If you're logging the next day, click yes to proceed with no shipments. Now we are logged in. So at this point, we are gonna see no hours, and this is the reason why it happened. Is when I logged in, or when I was working up until yesterday, I logged myself as an on duty. And in order to fix this on duty status, you would have to go back to your last status where you left yourself on duty and click on events. Go to the time where you left your status on, click on edit, click on duty status, click on off duty, scroll down, and it will ask you for the reason, and say forgot to change status. Click save, agree, go back home, and you should be able to see your hours. So now you go back, you have your 13 hours back in your day, because this is your Canadian rule set, and that's how you should be able to fix your logs. If any reason you forgot to change your log duty status last night, and you slept over and you woke up in the morning today and you're seeing you do not have any on duty status, you don't have any hours left. So current status is on duty at this point. I'm going to go back and I'm going to sign out, and always make sure to go back and sign out completely from the log book at the end of your shift when you're done. So in case if the mechanics are going to move your truck into the garage, they are going to log in using their own ID. And always ensure that you are certifying your logs before you log out from the system. Thank you.